kosher the oven and then wait 24 hours.
No. Okay, we always wait. So the procedure is always wait. So even if after you wash it, so because even still there is a taste absorbed into the walls, whether it's stove or pot, it doesn't make any difference. So it would spoil. So it would not be considered the taste. You understand? So since it is porous, so these metals, they're porous. So you wash with a sponge, of course, with a soap, but it's only on the surface. But inside it is it's actually the taste of the meat. And I see we have I said the story again before. I have this pot, big pot, for kashering. Other pots, so we lend other people to do the mitzvah. It's easy mitzvah. We bought it once many years ago. We still benefit from that mitzvah. We have a special I don't know what was that, not tweezers or whatever these things to take it out. It's special, like with the long handles, with wood on the top of the handle, because it's hot. It's boiling hot. So and like when people return to us the pot, of course they try to wash it, of course, but it's like so black you do not understand. It's how black this residue is after the clean pot. Why? Because all of the things that were absorbed into the walls, very black. Of course, I mean we wash it like with the baking soda, with other chemicals, so it washes off. But it's not so simple. It's not. Right, so that's why we need to wait 24 hours.
Oh, okay. So we wait 24 hours and then kosher in the oven after we clean it, of course.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Clean. It's the same procedure with the utensil and oven. The same procedure. You clean, you wait, and then you kosher. So the kosher the oven. It's not a big deal if you have a more modern one. So if it has a self-cleaning cycle, you just put on self-cleaning cycle. Of course, turn off your smoke detectors, right? Because open your windows or something like. If you can go out or go into a different room, that's what you should do, because it's going to smell bad. And even if you have a clean stove, because all of the residue, as we said, they absorbed into the walls. So now it's going to get burned from this huge temperature. So some people even say that you're not obligated even to wait because you're going to burn, but we're trying to follow like strict halacha. Wait anyway and then burn.